Right, I've got a package arrived in the post today. As from what I'm wearing, you can probably guess what it is. So I'm going to do an unboxing. Let's have a look what we got. Yes, it's the HMV exclusive Suicide Squad Steelbook with the extended edition. Sorry for the glare. Right, let's get to it. I like the artwork, and on the inside there's the Blu-ray. It's just a quick unboxing. I hope you like. I should say it also comes with a 3D Blu-ray and a digital download. If you do like this video, like, comment, subscribe. It's only a quick video. I hope you enjoy. I know I certainly will enjoy watching it again. I know there was a lot of hate on this film, but I absolutely loved it. This one, let's look. I think the artwork is very, very cool. Anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks guys. Thank you.